So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a TronLink wallet for you to be able to hold Tron. So if you really want to learn all the steps, you need to watch this video until the end. Good day to my awesome internet family, friends and following. I am Miguel Rodrigues, and today guys I am going to show you how simple it is for you to get a TronLink wallet for you if you want to start participating in any Tron project. Okay, Tron is a cryptocurrency. It has a huge potential. And we are here to try to give you value and for you to guys to be able to understand what we can do with Tron. Okay, so let me just go to my computer so that I can show you all the details. So first of all, you need to go here to TronLink.org. Okay, you need to go to this website. I will leave this link on the description so that you can get there. Then also you need to go, if you want you can install it on either or your mobile phone or Android or iOS, or if you want on a PC, a desktop computer, you can go to the Chrome extension, okay, to the Chrome store. And that is exactly what I'm going to do, guys. Here I will go to the Chrome web store, and in this case guys I have I'm going to install it here on my Chrome, but I already have my TronLink wallet installed. Actually, guys, it's based on Chrome, guys. But if you don't know, this is called, guys, Crypto Browser. It's a very crypto tab browser. It's basically the same functions that Google Chrome has, but with the great advantage that you can start earning also Bitcoin with this browser. Okay, so here you will start receiving Bitcoin for free just using it. Okay, just when you are using the browser you are earning. So this is a very big plus to anyone. Now then you need to click here on install. You click there. So you need to add the extension. Click there. Okay guys, so I want to add the extension up here, so I will click here and to fix the extension there. Okay, so this is the icon, okay, for the TronLink wallet. You click there, and basically all you need to do now is you need to create a password and repeat that password. Okay, it needs to have at least 8 characters. And it also needs a number, so a symbol and the number. Okay, so then we click on continue, and now what you need to do, you need to click here on create. Okay, click on plus create, and you can set your account, the name for your account, TronLink Wallet, whatever. You can put whatever name you want in here. Click on continue, and then you are going to have what they call a passphrase. Okay, it's like a mnemonic that you need to write down all these words. Okay, and then after you set up all these words, you need to also insert them in the next step. Okay, so let me just give me a sec here, guys. So you click on, then after you copy the different passphrases, you click on continue, and you need here to insert the different words in order. Okay, so I'll just do it off the screen, and I will be just back. Okay, so I've got the passphrases. Okay, all correct. Then you click on confirm. So all done. And as you can see, guys, you have now access to your TronLink wallet. So here is your Tron. So these are the other pairs. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and a few other that we have here. Okay, so very cool, guys. Very simple, as you can see. Then if you want to receive funds, you would click here. This would be your TronLink Wallet address. Okay, you can click here to copy, or obviously through the QR code. And if you want to send, you click on send, and you would get someone else's address, and you would click the amount and the account here, and down below here the amount that you wanted to send. It's also important, guys, you want to leave at least, I'd say, 50 to 100 Tron every single time that you have a transaction, because there are some fees when you make those transactions. So you want to keep, I'd say, to be safe, 100 Tron on your TronLink Wallet. Okay, so but basically this is it. It's very simple. Don't forget down below to subscribe to my channel, click the bell, turn on your notifications so that you can receive all my latest updates. And it's a pleasure being here with you, and I will see you on the next video.